Hello friends, welcome to our channel Wanderers of Mumbai. As usual guys, before we start, take a small pause to press bell icon so that you'll get the regular notifications. Also do not forget to subscribe us and like our videos. So stay tuned. Guys, the images that you can see on your screen is mouth-watering. Today, we are going to take you on a tour to a Chinese restaurant, the best one in Navi Mumbai. The location is Sanpada, Navi Mumbai. Guys, what we really notice during weekends is that people really wonder which place to visit for the best food. The question keeps in our mind, especially when you are fond of good cuisines. When the cuisine is Chinese, you really think which outlet to visit because nowadays there's so many outlets, small outlets, which serve the food but quality is really hampered. So guys, today our video is going to help sort out this weekend issue for the people staying in Navi Mumbai. The restaurant which we are going to visit today is in Sanpada, very close to Sanpada station. Just when you walk out from the station, you will have to take a right turn into the food court. This place is also called a shopping complex. The best Chinese restaurant as per our study, Tom Yum, the stomach filler. The restaurant is on the eastern side of the Sanpada station. Just when you walk out of the shopping complex, it's very easy to locate this restaurant. So guys, this restaurant had got very good ambience. Though many restaurants who serve Chinese food are located adjacent to this place, there are very few which have very high quality of food. So today we will take you on a tour explaining the specialty of this restaurant. In momos, they have veg and non-veg platters. Steam momos, normal fry momos, Chinese cheese fried momos, etc. In rice, they serve white chili rice, chicken sandwich, packing rice, etc. As you see, the prices are not too high and it's affordable. So guys, do not forget to visit this place if you are fond of Chinese food. When you're when you think about Chinese food, you just think about the fried rice, noodles, etc. But here you will find something different and their specialty, the momos, the steam momos, and the fried pine momos. Overall, the Chinese restaurant is a very good restaurant in this area. They even have a food delivery system. So, guys, when we visited this place, we really saw all the people serving with full heart and enthusiasm. For our surprise, we saw that there was even a ice cream and follow the center in that place. So, you can see in front of your screen, the chef is cooking a pan fried momos. They call this dish as chicken peri peri momos. So guys, stay tuned. We're coming to you with very nice dishes about the Chinese and their details. Guys, when you talk about Chinese, the first thing comes in our mind is in noodles and rice. But the order which we place was something different. The order which you can see in front of you is a complete momo dish. Okay, so guys, let me tell you, we were four people, two adults and two kids, and the problem with us was that we had two vegetarians. So we asked them, can you customize this dish for us? And for our surprise, the answer was yes. The dish was customized with chicken peri peri momos 5 in number, chicken steam momos 5 in number, chicken cheese momos 5 in number, veg cheese momos 5 in number filled with capsicum and corns along with cheese and french fries. Our next order was chicken tandoor, and our final order was what you see on your screen is the fried rice. This is a 3-layered fried rice with sauces, white and yellow sauces, white sauces. So friends, this place is a very beautiful place for Chinese food. Do not forget to visit this place and like our channel for more updates about the restaurants and various things in your locality. So guys, take care, be safe, do not forget to wander because wandering is good for health. Take care. Bye bye guys. See you next.